Ciao tutti and benvenuti to your week 4 vocabulary video where we'll be visiting everyone's favorite, Napoli. So let's go. We'll start with some restaurant terminology, al ristorante. Some restaurant items are il cameriere or la cameriera, waiter or waitress. La tavola, il tavolo. Both of these are table. They're one of the rare Italian vocabulary words where you can interchange the masculine or feminine version. It's just two different ways to say table. Il tovagliolo, napkin. Il piatto is literally a plate, but we can also use that to mean a dish, as in this dish is the specialty of the house, or it can mean a course. So you have your primo piatto, your first plate is your first course, your secondo piatto is your second course, etc. Il piatto. La tazza is a cup or mug. So if it has a handle, it's like a teacup, it is a tazza. Next we have il cucchiaio, spoon, and la forchetta, fork. Il coltello, knife. And il bicchiere is a glass or goblet. So a tumbler, a wine glass, a highball, lowball, these are all bicchieri. Think of the word beaker. Il bicchiere. Next, we have il formaggio, cheese. And in a fancy restaurant or a fancy meal, that can be its own course, much like in France. Likewise, il dolce, the sweet or dessert. La bevanda is a drink or beverage of any kind. We have la colazione, breakfast. Il pranzo, lunch. And la cena, dinner. L'aperitivo is aperitif. In Italy, that is kind of also like a cocktail hour, so it's an occasion as well as the drink itself. L'aperitivo. L'antipasto is an appetizer. Il primo or il primo piatto is first course. Il secondo or secondo piatto is second course. Il contorno is a side dish. And now I have some more verbs for you. I verbi. We have essere, to be. Avere, to have. Andare, to go. Fare, to do or to make. Parlare is to speak or talk. Mangiare, to eat. Comprare, to buy. Vedere, to see. Prendere, to take. Partire, to leave a place. So it's when you leave, not when you leave something behind. Provare, to try. And then we have a special class of verbs, I verbi modali. So for our modal verbs, unlike the others where I've just given you the infinitive, this one I'm going to show you some ways you can use it conjugated. So we'll start with vorrei is I would like. Vorremmo, we would like. Vorrei, vorremmo. Next we have devo, I need to. Dobbiamo, we need to. Devo, dobbiamo. And finally, posso, I can or can I. Possiamo, we can or can we. Posso, possiamo. So these are the I and we forms. If you want to get technical, that's the first singular and first plural forms of the verbs volere, to want, dovere, to have to, and potere, to be able to. And note also that vorrei, vorremmo is in the conditional mood. That makes it a little more polite. You don't need to worry so much about the jargon, but you can note that there is a difference, or if you're curious. So those are your modal verbs. They'll come in very handy. And because you're going to work so hard on those modals this week, that's all I've got for you. So work hard and ci vediamo. I'll see you later.